We are going up, on the LH 110C in fact, the top-class material handler, boasting a system performance of 431 kilowatts. Welcome to a new issue of our Liebherr Bauma magazine of Bauma 2016, to what can only be described as a powerful transmission. We introduce you to Miss Wetzel, who was involved in the development of this machine, and we also take a closer look at the X-Power drive. May the power be with you. It is also one of the big machines at the Liebherr stand, the LH 110C, the perfect machine for bulk and general cargo handling in ports. It has an energy recovery system which saves up to 30% of operating costs. The optimal weight distribution between undercarriage and upper carriage ensures secure stability in every situation. Last but not least, the hydraulic double link cab ensures optimal visibility up to a height of 9.2 meters. So with this machine, which has been designed especially for bulk and general cargo handling in ports, we achieve maximum handling capacity with minimum costs per ton. The customer benefits from maximum efficiency and cost effectiveness with this machine in the special port handling area. The weather has taken a turn for the worse. It's actually raining. I'm therefore all the more pleased to meet Sarah Wetzel. It's great you're here. You're pregnant, might I add. You're expecting a child and your other child is here behind us. You have not only collaborated but in fact made a decisive contribution. In what way then is a project a joint effort? There are, of course, several people involved in such a project. A total of 50 people worked on the project from the initial idea to the series production. A man's world, probably a standard question, how come a woman like yourself here is so passionate about this field? I'm only too happy to answer this question. As a child, I fell into the toolbox a few times. I really enjoyed technical drawing in secondary school. Initially, I didn't know what I actually wanted to do. Then I decided on industry, completed an apprenticeship as a draftswoman, and ultimately landed in mechanical engineering and found the right track. What's so special about the LH 110C? For instance, is there something you can tell us that is an innovation or where the machine is particularly well suited for it? This baby here weighs 110 tons. It completes the range of machines. We have an LH 80 and an LH 150, and this machine is positioned right in the middle in terms of tonnage and load capacity. The special feature of this machine, we have the port equipment, which we are officially presenting for the first time at the trade fair. There is also such a thing as special requests when someone comes and says, yes, I'd like that in pink. At the moment that seems to be quite fitting. You do that as well? If that's what the customer wants. We've also sold pink excavators. Really? Yes, that fazed everyone, but if that's what the customer wants. Well, the first child will probably feel at home all over the world, but she stays with mummy, Yeah, she stays with me. Good luck with the pregnancy and also with the big one. Thank you. I'm standing here in the bucket of the L550 X-Power, a wheel loader in which the new drive was already installed. The X-Power, a drive with superb performance and tremendous energy efficiency, with fuel savings of up to 30%. More power for the wheel loader. The new X-Power concept combines performance, fuel efficiency and robustness. The X-Power travel drive combines the best of the hydrostatic and mechanical drives. The Liebherr power efficiency system optimizes the interplay of diesel engine, gearbox and working hydraulics. The Liebherr X-Power concept offers the customer considerable advantages in terms of fuel consumption. Diesel fuel is now the highest cost factor in the operation of wheel loaders, and with the X-Power concept was reduced by up to 30% in comparison to the predecessor model and competitors in this segment. When it comes to energy efficiency, Liebherr goes one step further, the fully electric drive. This is clearly demonstrated with the pedalometer. The driver's cab of the new LH26CE is moved solely by muscle power. I've slaved away enough here now. Do I get something in return? Your efforts will be rewarded. Great. You get a Liebherr cap and some glucose for the recovery. I'll be happy to give you those now. Exactly what I need. wonderful. Then that's all that's left to say is thank you. And if you feel like popping by, then please come along. But you don't need to come along tomorrow. You can stay sitting comfortably on the sofa and watch all the highlights from the Liebherr stand, including an 8-axle mobile crane. Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Dankeschön. Bis morgen. Ich mache jetzt nochmal, ne?